Could you get a carpenter to your home for $4.99? Then how about a plumber for $4.99?
Know what you can get for just $4.99? This great Kitchens and Bathrooms book. It's part of the Home Repair and Improvement series from Time Life Books.
Does your bathroom need a facelift? Let the Home Repair and Improvement series show you how to modernize it. To improve the appearance and increase the efficiency of your kitchen, let the Home Repair and Improvement book show you new ways to reorganize and how to get light where you need it most. Everything's right here in easy-to-follow instructions and illustrations.
And think of all the money you'll save when you do it yourself.
Call now to order Kitchens and Bathrooms for just $4.99. Try it free for 15 days. Keep it, and other books will follow, one about every other month for just $11.99. And you can cancel anytime. So be your own carpenter, your own plumber.
With the Home Repair and Improvement series from Time Life Books.